Hey everyone, in this video we will compare DuckDB and ClickHouse to find out which database is better. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important point. DuckDB is an memory OLAP database designed for fast analytical queries on single machine. Its main strengths are its lightweight design and ease of use. It requires no setup and can be embedded directly into Python, R or other applications. DuckDB is highly optimized for structured data and integrates well with Pandas, making it a favorite among data scientists and analysts. However, DuckDB is limited by its single node architecture. It does not support distributed computing or real-time analytics at a scale, making it unsuitable for massive data sets needing multi-server processing or real-time cluster-wide analysis. On the other hand, ClickHouse is a high-performance columnar database built for distributed analytics. It excels at real-time queries or massive data sets, making it ideal for business processing billions of rows quickly. Its strengths include handling stream data and event logging efficiently. With source data warehousing and business intelligence needs, the trade-off is that ClickHouse has a steeper learning curve and requires more setup and maintenance for small projects or local ad analytics. Its overall kill. For scalable, high-performance, real-time analytics on huge datasets, ClickHouse is the superior choice. For lightweight, easy-to-use analytics on a single machine, especially for data science workflows, DuckDB is the ideal. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.